Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we delve into a remarkable fusion of heritage and innovation of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz W123. This modern revival pays homage to the iconic W123 series, seamlessly blending classic design elements with cutting-edge technology to create a vehicle that honors its legacy while embracing the future. A glimpse into history. The original Mercedes-Benz W123, produced between 1976 and 1985, is celebrated for its durability, timeless design, and engineering excellence. It became one of the most successful models in Mercedes history, with over 2.7 million units sold. Available as a sedan, coupe, and estate, the W123 was known for its durability and was powered by a range of reliable engines. This legacy set a high standard for its modern successor. Exterior design, classic aesthetics reimagined. The 2025 W123 retains the signature boxy silhouette and chrome accents that defined its predecessor, exuding a sense of timeless elegance. The front fascia features a modern interpretation of the iconic Mercedes grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide enhanced visibility and a contemporary touch. The body lines are both aerodynamic and reminiscent of the original design, creating a harmonious blend of past and present. Interior, luxury meets technology. Stepping inside, the cabin offers a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. High-quality materials such as premium leather, polished wood, and brushed aluminium adorn the interior, reflecting Mercedes' commitment to craftsmanship. The digital cockpit integrates a high-resolution display with intuitive controls, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Ambient lighting enhances the driving experience, allowing occupants to customize the atmosphere to their preference. Performance, sustainable powertrain options. Under the hood, the 2025 W123 offers advanced powertrain options that cater to modern performance and environmental standards. Customers can choose between a hybrid system that combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering a balance of power and efficiency, or a fully electric drivetrain that offers zero-emission driving without compromising performance. Both options ensure a responsive and smooth driving experience, staying true to the W123's reputation for reliability. Safety and driver assistance. Safety remains paramount in the 2025 W123, equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking work in unison to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety. The vehicle's structure is engineered with high-strength materials to provide robust protection in the event of a collision. Driving experience, comfort and agility. The 2025 W123 delivers a driving experience that balances comfort with agility. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride, while precise steering and responsive handling make it adept at navigating various driving conditions, whether cruising on the highway or maneuvering through city streets. The W123 offers a composed and engaging drive. Customization and personalization. Understanding that drivers appreciate individuality, Mercedes offers a range of customization options for the 2025 W123. Customers can select from various exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to tailor the vehicle to their personal taste. Additionally, technology packages and performance enhancements are available to suit different driving preferences. Connectivity and infotainment. Staying connected is effortless in the 2025 W123. Thanks to its state-of-the-art infotainment system. The vehicle supports seamless smartphone integration, allowing access to apps, music, and contacts through the intuitive interface. Voice recognition enables hands-free control, ensuring drivers can stay focused on the road while managing their entertainment and communication needs. Sustainability, a commitment to the future. Mercedes-Benz demonstrates its dedication to sustainability with the 2025 W123. The use of eco-friendly materials in the interior, energy-efficient manufacturing processes, and the availability of a fully electric powertrain reflect the brand's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. This approach ensures that the W123 not only honors its heritage but also contributes to a more sustainable future. Conclusion: a timeless classic reimagined. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz W123 stands as a testament to the brand's ability to honor its rich history while embracing modern advancements. By blending classic design cues with contemporary technology and sustainable performance, the W123 offers a unique proposition for drivers seeking a vehicle that embodies both tradition and innovation. This modern revival ensures that the legacy of the W123 continues to captivate and inspire car enthusiasts for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz W123. We hope this deep dive has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of how this iconic model has been thoughtfully reimagined for the modern era. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz W123 is a modern tribute to an automotive legend. It retains the classic boxy silhouette, chrome accents, and iconic grille while integrating advanced technology. Inside, a luxurious cabin features premium materials, a digital cockpit, and cutting-edge infotainment. Under the hood, hybrid and fully electric powertrains offer both performance and sustainability. Safety is paramount, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. The W123 delivers a smooth yet agile ride, honoring its legacy with modern enhancements. This reimagined classic blends heritage with innovation, making it a dream for enthusiasts who appreciate timeless design and modern engineering. Inside, luxury meets innovation with premium leather, polished wood trims, and a digital cockpit that integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The advanced infotainment system offers seamless smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and customizable ambient lighting for an immersive experience. Under the hood, the 2025 W123 offers a choice between a hybrid powertrain and a fully electric option, providing both efficiency and performance. The hybrid combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, while the F variant delivers smooth, zero-emission driving. Safety remains a priority with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. The suspension system ensures a comfortable yet responsive ride, making it ideal for both city commutes and highway cruising. With a perfect balance of heritage and innovation, the 2025 W123 is a dream come true for enthusiasts who appreciate classic design infused with modern engineering and sustainability. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like.